video.
The devil went down to Georgia and he was looking for a soul to steal. Cause he was in a bind, cause he was way behind, he was willing to make a deal. When he came across this young man sawing on the fiddle and playing it hot, and the devil jumped up on the hickory stump and said, "Boy, let me tell you what. I guess you didn't know it, but I'm a fiddle player too. And if you care to take a dare, I'll make a bet with you. Now you play pretty good fiddle, boy, but give the devil his due. I bet a fiddle will go against your soul, cause I think I'm better than you." The boy said, "My name's Johnny and it might be a sin, but I'll take your bet cause you're gonna regret, cause I'm the best it's ever been. Johnny, rising up your bow and play your fiddle hard, cause hell's broke loose in Georgia and the devil deals the cards. And if you win, you'll get this shiny fiddle made of gold. If you lose, the devil gets your soul." The devil opened up his case and he said, "I'll start this show." And fire flew from his fingertips as he rosined up his bow. And he pulled the bow across the strings and it made an evil hiss. And a band of demons joined in and it sounded something like this. When the devil finished, Johnny said, "Well, you're pretty good, old son, but sit down in that chair right there and let me show you how it's done. Fire on the mountain, run, boys, run. The devil's in the house in the rising sun. Chicken in the bread pan, picking out dough. Great does your dog fight, no child to know." The devil bowed his head because he knew that he'd been beat, and he laid that golden fiddle down at the ground at Johnny's feet. Johnny said, "Devil, if you ever want to come back and try again, I done told you once, you son of a gun, I'm the best that's ever been." He played "Fire on the mountain, run, boys, run. And the devil's in the house in the rising sun. Chicken in the bread pan, picking out dough. Granny wings not bite, no child, no."
Jason Benton singing a